Now बच्चे have a look on illustration number 38. Prepare provision for income tax account from the following informations for cash flow statement. Beta, two things are given to you. Provision for tax account. Only four things we have to record here. Balance brought down and balance carried down. The opening balance and the closing balance. Then here we have to record the to bank account tax paid. And here we have to record provision made during the year. Provision made during the year. Only maximum 4 items will be recorded here. Now bache, opening and closing balance is given to you. 16 is given in front and 17 is given as at back. So you will record 3,20,000 here and 4 lakh you have to record here. Balance brought down and balance carried down. At the end, additional information is given to you. During the year, income tax paid rupees 280. Now, income tax paid is given in the question 2,80,000. Add them up. 680 minus 320. 360 is the balancing figure, and this is your provision made during the year. This is balancing figure, and this will be added in working notes. It will be added in operating activities and working note, and this will be subtracted from operating activities. At the end you have to write the tax paid. So these are the two things we have to use in operating activities. Rest, these two balances will not be used. Why we have made the account bache in this question? Because there was an additional information. If tax paid or provision made is given, either of this is given, then you have to make the account. Otherwise no need to make the account. Otherwise you have to use these two values. This will be tax paid and this will be provision made during the year. So next question bache, 39th. Here you also have to prepare provision for income tax account. Prepare provision for income tax account from the following information for preparing cash flow statement. So this is provision for tax account. Same four things we have to record. By balance brought down to balance carried down. To bank account tax paid during the year, and then here we can also write statement of profit and loss. Statement of profit and loss, but in bracket we will write provision made during the year. During the year. So two values are given to you. 1,50,000 was the opening balance and 2,10,000 was the closing balance. And at the end, additional information is also given. Provision for tax made during the year. Now this time this value is given to you. Provision for tax made during the year is given to you. Add these up, and from this total 385 deduct 210. The balancing figure will be 175. This is your balancing figure. This will be subtracted from operating and this will be added in the operating in working note. If provision made is given to you, then your balancing figure will be tax paid. If tax paid is given to you in the question, then balancing figure will be provision made. And if anything from these two is given to you, then you have to make the account. Otherwise you don't need the preparation of this account. Then in that case you will just use these two values. This is the only thing whose both values will be used. otherwise बच्चे we never use both values of any item, we just take the difference.